In this video, you will learn how to find highly cited research articles in a specific subject area or field. Let's get started. First, open Google Scholar and type in your research topic. For example, I am looking for research articles on workplace stress. After the search results appear, you will see the citation count displayed beneath each article. The first article, titled Workplace Stress, has been cited 105 times. The second article has been cited 2,113 times. The third article has received 1099 citations. And the list continues. These citation numbers show how often each research paper has been used by other researchers. You can also check which studies have cited a particular article. For example, if an article shows cited by 2113, clicking on this link will display the related research that has referenced it. On the first page, you may see 10 citing articles. The remaining citations can be found on the next page. By using Google Scholar, you can easily identify highly cited research papers. You can also explore the work of authors who have cited those papers. A higher number of citations usually indicates that a research paper is influential and valuable in academic studies. I hope this video helps you understand the process more clearly. Stay tuned for more academic-focused videos. Thank you.